Norton or Bitdefender? Two cybersecurity giants, one head-to-head showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, Norton, with comprehensive security packed with premium extras. And on the right, Bitdefender, famous for its award-winning, streamlined protection. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Before we compare, let's map out what really matters. I'm talking malware protection, security features, price, performance, and scan speed, device support, and of course, user experience. That's our roadmap, so you know exactly what to look for. Let's kick it off with the big one, malware protection. So, with Norton, you get this insanely strong record in AV Test and SE Labs. Like, they hit perfect scores recently, especially against online threats. But, and this is a little annoying, they sometimes flag more false positives than Bitdefender. Now, Bitdefender also gets perfect 100% scores from both AV Test and AV Comparatives, but honestly stands out by being a bit less overzealous with those false alarms. Real-world detection? About the same as Norton, so the battle here is tight. Still, Bitdefender edges out because, honestly, who wants to be told their photos folder is ransomware? Bitdefender takes this one. Next up, security and privacy features. All right, Norton really loads you up. VPN, password manager, even identity theft protection if you go for higher tiers. Those AI scam blockers are legit too. Plus, there's backup, firewall, and excellent parental controls if you've got kids online. The dashboard is actually helpful, not just flashy. Downside? Yeah, some goodies are paywalled behind those higher-priced layers. And for folks wanting just basic protection, Norton can feel a little much. Switching to Bitdefender, it's got the essentials like a strong file shredder, great privacy features, and webcam protection. Bonus points for a good optimizer and pretty handy two-way firewall. However, if you want a VPN or identity extras, that'll cost more. And the base package isn't as flashy with bonus features as Norton. So overall, Norton takes the W here for features overload. Now the part nobody loves, price and value. So Norton does stuff like bundle tons of features if you go for those higher end plans, like genuinely useful ones for families. But up front, it's pricier. And watch for those renewal jumps. It can get steep. Bitdefender, on the other hand, is just way easier on the wallet, especially for anyone wanting straightforward antivirus or a mid-tier plan. Their yearly deals are solid. The catch? Some add-ons like VPN and identity stuff aren't included. You gotta pay extra. Still, if you want value without bloat, Bitdefender wins here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Both Bitdefender and Norton actually snag Product of the Year awards pretty much every year for their epic malware detection. Pretty wild, right? All right, here's one you'll notice right away. Performance and scan speed. Norton is surprisingly quick, like a full scan in about 22 minutes on average, and it barely slows down your PC. Sure, your very first big scan could lag a bit, but after that, it's smooth sailing. Bitdefender keeps things light during browsing and regular stuff, so you don't feel any drag. But then, if you ever try a full system scan, oh man, you'll want to grab a snack. It can take up to 2 hours. So yeah, speed demons and multitaskers, Norton is your guy. Switching it up, device and platform support. Norton's great here. Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, it even rolls everything into one dashboard that just, like, makes sense. The mobile parental control options are genuinely one of the best out there. Some special mobile tools are only in premium plans, but overall, easy win. Bitdefender gives solid protection on all devices and good browser security, though if you hop between devices a lot, their mobile app just feels less intuitive. So again, Norton comes out ahead on multi-device life. Last round, user experience. Norton makes onboarding easy. The interface looks clean, setup is hassle-free, especially if you're jumping between devices. But, okay, they could chill out with the pop-ups when you're exploring all the features. Bitdefender, though, has a modern look, and I do like the one-click optimizer, but all the configuration menus can make it feel a bit technical sometimes. So, if you want friendly, simple, quick to learn, Norton's got the edge. So, let's zoom out and see how these two stack up, point by point. When you lay it all out, malware blocking, features, price, performance, device support, and just how easy they are to use, you can see where the differences really stand out. So, wrapping it all up, I gotta say, Bitdefender's for you if you're laser focused on the absolute top malware scores, and pricing matters. But honestly, if you care about having one app that does everything, fast, full-featured, super family-friendly, Norton just feels like the complete package this year. If this helped, maybe save or share it. Someone else is probably stressing about antivirus choices too. And check out the official sites for deals. Seriously, in 2025, protecting your online life is not really